Now you can see this folder. Just like I'll send you the targeted language audio and the reference file, which is in always in English. Okay, so now what you need to do, you just need to upload the audio in the tool and get the reference file from the English. uh, Let me open the tool. The tool name is Inscribe. This is open source tool, you can download via Google, and also I'm sharing you with the first sample file. Okay, this is the Inscribe tool. You don't need to get the license version, just wait for the 5 seconds. After that you can get the free license version option. Continue using Inscribe. Here is the tool. Here you can see, let me shift my recording screen somewhere else. Okay, here you can see, it is on 30 fps. So before pasting the your reference file, just go to transcription setting, and here you can choose the 60 fps. It is compulsory to choose this, because without these you can't be get the proper segmentation. Okay, now okay, now put the audio. This is your audio. For the exam sample, I am showing you the Marathi file. Just drag and drop here, you'll get the audio here. Now we have reference file of the English transcription. Here what is it? uh, this is the basic English file. You are getting the other language file that was dubbed file in targeted language. So the transcription and all segmentation and speaker and emotions and all those things are same. So now you can play from here. Just wait a second. Here you can see this is showing 2 hour, but my audio is actually the 12 minutes something, 10 or 20. So just click on these. Here showing the audio name. Click on audio name. Here time code. Use the start at custom time instead of use media time code. So select start at custom time and click on OK. Now my audio is 10 minute and 26 second and 26 millisecond. From 0, you can, if you click on these time code, let me zoom little bit. Okay, when you click on this, the audio will automatically go on this time, and you can play. This is the background music already done. From 00 second, from 00 second to 9 second and 1 millisecond. Okay, so while I click on 9.01, it will play from these 9.02 second here. Now I'm playing. Okay, from here Honey is saying, hey madam is Alia. The audio is in Marathi, that's why you will get the Marathi. So now what you need to do, you just need to change here. In Marathi you have to write, hey madam Alia. Just you need to write like that. And as you know, you are doing the Marathi, so you have to change the language, target language, to here. If you see there is something change in the time stamping, then you can change it. Just like I am clicking from here, from here. Okay. The another one speaker is this Bunny. Okay. He's saying, uh, in English file we don't know the word what speaker saying here, but in Marathi it is clear. Ale, sorry, something wrong. here speaker is saying ale kahe. So we can write like that. We can also change from here. Okay, this is the pattern. You have to do the work. You can play from here by clicking on this time code. Now here speaker is saying ale kahe hmm. So we have to write like that. Hmm. And need to add the punctuations here. Okay. If you see there is something extra in the line, you can add here by changing the time code. Here is time code, these and these from start to end. Male means gender of the speaker, emotion, w- in which emotion speaker is speaking. Name of the speaker is here, and this is the target language. Okay. Sorry, one more thing. I'll let you know. From here, speaker is speaking in Marathi, right? But he also used the word madam. Madam is the English word. So what we need to do, we have to enter here English language, means Marathi and English. If a speaker is speaking in the single language or in your targeted language, you need to mention the particular target language abbreviation. But if your speaker is speaking your target language as well as in English, uh, you have to write the both language abbreviations like that. Okay. And no matter how many English word a speaker is using, if he is using single word or the whole sentence, if the speaker is using single word or multiple words, we need to write like that. For Marathi, ma dash eng. If the speaker is speaking totally the sentence is in English word, you need to write like that. Okay. Now here is the Marathi and English. So you have to change the whole scenario from here. Now the reference file is for just reference. Okay, you can made changes if needed according to your convenience. Okay. Maybe you need to change some time stamping, just like here is little change. Okay, now better. Now after clicking on these, I am also getting the noise of so we can raise it to 30. Still getting. Now now clear. So if it is 40, the next segment will start from 41, 12.40, then 12.41. Always remember that we need to take the next time coding from plus 1 millisecond. Okay, just like 1 to 2, 5 to 6, 40 to 41, 22 to 23, 15 to 16, 14 to 5, just like that. While completing the whole file, you have to copy and create a new file, paste here and save it with the name of proper audio sub jhulmal hai dash 1 triple 1 dash a circus, and the your target language Marathi underscore mix, whatever the file you get. Okay, you will get the file name from the audio. Just copy and paste here, just do like that and save it. This is the English version. Where is my new file? This one. I can save it like that. Okay. Uh, After doing these, you have to do the QC too. And one more thing you need to do. Now let me share you. This is my English file, and suppose you didn't done the your target language file like that. This is the your target language file that you download or copy paste. Now we need to do the alignment of the sentence. Uh, just like click on the end of the line. This is here you can get the line number one. Line number one. For same in the your work. Check the line number one is here. Okay. Now what we need to check? Uh, Click on line number four. Here it is okay, and here line number four it is okay. Okay, but what is the difference? Click on here. This is line number seven, and this is line number seven. Both are okay, but I have made the alignment. Now I am cutting this to show you how to do. Okay, now here in our file, uh, one new character introduced. That name is Katkar. She said Hedya. Okay, but in our reference file there is no segment or sentence like that. So here is line number 8 is extra. So what we can do, at the end of line number 7, you need to put the enter and write the tag extra in the same format. So our this extra line will represent our these extra line. From onward, line number 9 background, line number 9 background. They both are on same page, means they aligned like that. If you found that in the English we got the some extra tag, but in our target language there is no tag or there is no line like that, so we can put the extra line in our target language too, like that. Okay, so whenever it needed you need to do. After aligning the whole file you have to check from here. Just see at the end, line number 227 we need to check also in the R file. 227, line number 227. Okay, they both file should have same segment. They both files should contain the same number of segments. And the segmentation, we have to align the each segment with our reference file. Okay, and one more thing, if you are doing something and you don't, just like for the example Hedya, this was the new character. Okay, that line not present in the English file. So what we need to do, we have to do the time code as well as gender, emotion, name, and language. But the problem is that you don't know what the name of a speaker. So you can do one thing, just put here and write new speaker. By the audio you can get that this is male or female, and emotions too, and language. These part you can get very well, you can write here. And for the name, if you don't know, you can write the new speaker. Our in-house team will check it and mention the name over here. You have also need to do the time coding accordingly. Okay, now I'll let you know the tool. This is our tool. And for the short keys I'll explain you how to edit. Go in edit and click on edit shortcuts. Here is the tip. Here I have already set the my all keys, just like insert current time. Current time will be these. So for the current time, I have already selected the F4 button. If you want to change or you want to assign the new, you can do like just click on define trigger. You can change, just like I would like to do this by F7. So I am just pressing the F7. Here is change. Now I can click on OK. So from the F7 button, I can insert the current time in my text file. Okay. Also, you need one more tab. This is toggle pause and play. Pause and play I have selected with the skip. So when I once press the skip, it will get play. When again I skip, press the skip button, it got pause. Okay. So you can change the keys according to your convenience. And if you want to add new key or new option, you can click on add from the define trigger. Before this, you can select what activity you want with the key. Just like I want to, I what I just I want to skip back. Okay, I selected it. How many seconds I want to skip back? Like 3 seconds. Okay, and what key I want for this? So I prefer F3. I put it and click OK. Now it is done. When I click on this, it will get automatically on. I am pressing the skip button once, it get played. When I skip press again, it get pause. Just here I just want to mm, insert the time on which time. This is the time, 4 second and 16 millisecond. Okay. What is this time? So I am just pressing the button F7, right? Here I got the time while playing from here. Suppose here I also want to enter the time. I again this, like that you can enter your time. Okay. So I thought it is clear to all. If still you need any question or you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to me or your project manager. They will ask me and I'll let them know how to do. Okay. So after checking this video, please let me know who is ready to work. I'll share you the one sample file for the work. After checking the sample file, I'll assign the proper work. Okay.